going? Tony's my name. I'm the co-owner and founder of T&M Street Customz in Pakenham. I started this trade out in '77, just after I left school. Been working on trucks and a few old cars. That's what got me interested in it. Then started my first panel shop in 1987 back in Keysborough, which was predominantly a smash repair shop. And then in 2014 we moved up to Pakenham, started up T&M Street Customz, and yeah, we've been going ever since. Me and my son Matthew, which he's a spray painter, I'm the panel beater. In 2017 we decided that we're getting fairly busy, so we put the feelers out. We've now got 2 panel beaters that do our metal fabrication. We have a third-year apprentice spray painter here that helps us out as well. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, and keep a watch out for all our videos that are on of a Thursday night, and we'll show you progress of everything that's happening. See you later.